Hi, Tim Ash, Director of TTS Real Estate. Welcome to episode 1 of the TTS Weekly Recap. This is a short weekly video where I will answer the 3 top questions that are being asked of me from a real estate point of view. I've ran a residential real estate business for over 5 years. These are the conversations that I'm having with my clients. I'll share them with you. I really hope you get something out of it. So we'll jump straight in. Question number 1. Has the sales market pulled back? What's going on? Is the market going to crash by 30%? You know, is it all doom and gloom? Keeping in mind, this is just my point of view. And yes, the market has pulled back. What we've seen is clearance rates according to Domain this week, we're sitting at 55%. This time last year, they were at 76%. Also, for the month of June, we've had over 30% of auctions that were scheduled get taken off the market. And what I think that was in response to was the interest rate rise, in addition to a couple of other economic factors. But what we are seeing as a result of that is that whilst the market certainly wasn't what it was late last year, early this year, the amount of stock that's been pulled in comparison to the buyers that have stopped looking, there's a little bit of a mismatch. So what we are finding is that, you know, properties that are aligned with market value are getting a fair bit of activity just on the basis that the people that need to buy don't have a lot to choose from. So that's kind of where it is. I don't think the scaremongering of it's going to drop by 20% by the end of the year, I really can't see any of that sort of happening. I don't think the banks would let it happen either. So yeah, I think the market has pulled back, but you know, if you need to, you know, sell your property, I don't believe you're going to be taking a huge discount. Question number 2. We run a residential rent roll, and one of the questions I'm being asked of my rental providers is, should I be putting my rent up? The answer is yes. Yes. You certainly should be putting your rent up when lease renewal is done. Migration has given the city back its, has rejuvenated the city in my opinion, and we are starting to see a lot more activity. It's great being out and about in Melbourne and seeing people, you know, out and about. So I think, yeah, the rents, you should be getting a rent review done on your property. Best way to do that is just to look at what comparable properties are currently leasing out for to get an indication of the market value. Ask your property manager if you do have a rental to do that for you, and they'll be able to produce a report. Otherwise, little plug, give us a call. We'd love to help. But yeah, you should certainly be looking at putting the rents up. Rental providers, like everyone, you know, did their part during COVID, so now it's starting, you know, now that we're in that normality, it's really time to realise the market value, and obviously the cost of things have gone up as well. Question number 3, will interest rates continue to go up? Whilst I'm not an economist, I'm just a real estate agent, I do believe that there will be a few more rate rises toward the end of the year. They're going to want to try and stem inflation. They're probably going to want to try and make broccoli affordable again. I think that, but I don't think it's going to be dramatic. I don't think they're going to, you know, make it happen so people can't afford their mortgages anymore. That's not in anybody's best interest. But yeah, I think that there are going to be some little upticks in the interest rates. However, from what I'm seeing, rents are actually going up faster than mortgage repayments. So, you know, if you are in that rental market thinking about buying, you know, certainly don't let the bad press put you off. Because, you know, if you are renting, I think rents are going to sort of, you know, go up quicker than what the rates are. Just my opinion. So that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Really appreciate your time, and we'll see you next week. Thanks, guys.